Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing m.voc, Master of Vocation, course details, eligibility, courses, duration, admission, and everything you need to know about this program. What is m.voc, Master of Vocation? m.voc Master of Vocation is a postgraduate program in vocational education that focuses on skill development and vocational training. It is a 2-year program that provides students with specialized knowledge and skills in their chosen field of study. Eligibility criteria: to be eligible for m.voc, Master of Vocation, candidates must have a bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or institute. Some universities may also require candidates to have relevant work experience in their chosen field. Courses offered: m.voc, Master of Vocation, programs are available in a wide range of disciplines, including fashion design, interior design, multimedia, animation, hospitality, tourism, and many more. The courses are designed to provide students with the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in their chosen profession. Duration of the program: m.voc, Master of Vocation, is a 2-year program, divided into 4 semesters. Each semester is of 6 months duration, and the curriculum includes both theoretical and practical components. Admission procedure: admission to m.voc, Master of Vocation, programs is generally based on merit, although some universities may also conduct entrance exams. Candidates can apply for admission online or offline, depending on the university's policy. Career opportunities: m.voc, Master of Vocation, graduates can find employment in a variety of industries, including fashion design, interior design, multimedia, animation, hospitality, tourism, and many more. They can work as designers, consultants, trainers, supervisors, and managers, among other roles. Some graduates may also choose to start their own businesses or work as freelancers. Conclusion: m.voc, Master of Vocation, is an excellent program for students who want to gain specialized skills and knowledge in their chosen field of study.